tools that you will need for the job. The flat screwdriver, 14 millimeters socket, 3/8 ratchet, half-inch ratchet, you might need it, funnel, and
oil filter remover. You can buy this at any automotive parts store. I purchased it at AutoZone. It's like $10. Make sure when you're purchasing, it's for your vehicle. You can ask for a specific year and the model of the car, because I guess there is a difference between years, because when I was purchasing, there was a difference between my year and the newer model. It's not a big difference, but I guess it has some kind of difference. So make sure you purchase it specifically for your car. And the filter, and the filter we're gonna use OEM Toyota filter. It's actually cartridge, and it's come the cartridge and the rubber seal. Make sure you can install this every time you're changing oil. You have to use a new one. I'm gonna show you right now how to do it. Okay guys, when you hired an operator, make sure he was worked with the car before, so he don't ask the stupid question.
let it rain. Beh, vediamo para minyan. Hop.
So I have to remove this cartridge, throw it away, use something to clean up so you don't work with this mess. And then this seal that you have to replace, you're gonna take a screwdriver or something sharp and take this out. And carefully use your screwdriver to put it in. Make sure you place it on the same spot. If you like, you can put a little bit of oil, lubricate it before you install. And the same thing, the new filter goes here. It's a little bit tight. Make sure it's snap all the way in. And now we can install it. Good?
Uh-huh.
Do not over tie when you install this, because on the next oil change you're gonna have a big problem to take it out. That's it. And now we're gonna put this plastic back where it was. Oh. Always pour oil with love, then your engine will run longer. After you fill the oil, make sure it's level, then start your engine. Make sure everything is placed back, no leak. And after that you can lower your car.